In this video, you'll learn how to copy a profile link on Slack. This process is straightforward and will allow you to easily share your profile with others in your workspace. Begin by opening the Slack application on your device. If you are using the desktop version, ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the process. Once Slack is open, navigate to the channel or workspace where you want to copy your profile link. Next, locate the Home button on the left sidebar of the Slack interface. Click on Home to access your main workspace view. This step is crucial because it provides a clear overview of your workspace and personal settings. After this, find your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the Slack window. Click on it to open a drop-down menu that contains various options related to your account. This drop-down is essential for accessing your profile settings. Following that, look for the three dots icon, often referred to as the More Actions button. Click on this icon to reveal additional options. This action will provide you with a range of settings and features related to your profile. Then, select the option labeled Copy Link to Profile from the menu that appears. Once you click this, a confirmation message may briefly appear, indicating that the link has been successfully copied to your clipboard. This is a key step as it allows you to share your profile link effortlessly. If you wish to test copying your profile link on Slack yourself, you can find a link provided in the description or pinned comment below this video. Having this reference can be helpful for a quick start. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.